Hello everybody and welcome to Tech Tutorials, an amazing platform for your daily life tech problems. And in this video we are going to be learning how you can add keyframes in CapCut. So let's jump right into it. Let's just quickly import some of elements or videos onto our timeline, and now we are going to be importing, let's say, this logo of our channel. Now we need to animate it a little bit or just move it around meanwhile the video is running. So for that particular reason you can use keyframes in CapCut. So let's say I position my logo at left side of my screen and I scale it down. I want to move it from here to here. So for that particular reason what I can do is simply click on this keyframe icon which is in front of this position. You can see we have a lot of them in here. Simply click on that and now move your playhead from your timeline around here and now reposition your logo. On here you can see we have two keyframes now ready. So when I move back and I play it again, you can see it is animated. So now let's say from this point I want it to go back to its original place. So for that particular reason I can simply move my playhead a little bit around and now I need to place it back to its original place. So you can see the new keyframe is automatically added, and now when I go back and play the video again, you can see it is now animated. So that's how you can add keyframe for position. You can do similar for your rotation as well. So simply head over to the starting of your video and from there you need to click on the keyframe for rotation and now go to the end point where our last keyframe is and add some rotation. So I'm going to be adding a single rotation, so you can see, and now when it will be going it will be rotating as well. So you can see our logo is animated, and that's how you can work with keyframes in CapCut. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.